Hi everyone. Yesterday I walked out to my garden and found a cottontail rabbit. She was just sitting there. When she saw me, she took off, and I saw a whole bunch of little baby bunny heads sticking up out of the straw. It was somewhere over in that area. I'm going to go over there and find them so I know where they're at. I don't want to accidentally step on them when I'm gardening. We'll take a look at them for a few minutes and then we'll cover them back over when we're done. I'm just going to sit quietly and watch them so that I don't scare them too much. Let's go find them. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.